Tippity-babby-dee-boo, Tippy-doo will come to you. Tina's snacking on the rug, yum, yum, yum. When little Chickpea starts to roll, oh, here it comes. Under the table, where could it be? Come on, Tibidu, come search with me. Where's my Chickpea? Where did it go? Is it with a kitty or a dragon? Who knows? We'll look high, we'll look low. With Tibidu's giggles, we're ready to go. Draw a treasure map, tiptoe across the floor. Maybe in the kitchen or behind the door. Pirate hats on, we're detectives today. Chickpea Adventure, hip hip hooray!